Next up, we have Jennifer Liu. Go ahead. Let's have a nice round of applause. She's going to be singing Sail Away is the correct name, yes? All right, so I apologize. In the programs, it says Don't Sail Away, but this is Sail Away. All right. That was really beautiful. You guys can start.
Yeah, it's really good. You sort of as it just right when it got good for me, you stopped. Like the don't sail away kind of was the best part. So I think I know you're not playing a full song right now, but definitely develop that out. That's really strong. The don't sail away hook there's something really special there, and your voice is really, the way it sounded in that part was just vulnerable, and I felt it, and good sort of first half of a song, but definitely don't underestimate how good that part could be.
I agree. I think the Don't Sail Away, just that part and melodically and how it's set up by the lyric and what you're saying really took off for me. My favorite part, the part that brought me in, was the I stand still, let the pain just disappear, the melody there and that section. And I would maybe argue that maybe the section between that and Don't Sail Away, it might be interesting for me, and obviously this isn't the time and place to do it, but I would say it may be interesting to look at that section here where I take a stroll, and maybe that's a C structure of the song, because the Don't Sail Away was so strong for me. But really good, and really, really good structure. Excellent.
The guys, I think the hook was the strongest melody. It was really sweet. I was just thinking what Billy said for the previous song about ballads, and I kind of wonder if it could lyrically have something a little bit more about what you're feeling, like who you're going through this with, because I wasn't quite sure. Like, did you have something happened that, you don't have to tell us here, but something happened that kind of inspired the song, like, to you? Was there, like, a situation or something?
Yeah, I mean, this song I intended to be, it overall encompasses some emotions and long-term feelings. Like, it's kind of like escapism. It's like you want to temporarily just sail away from this fast-paced environment that you're in.
Sure. Okay. Yeah, that's a great answer. I think if there is any kind of like situation or something with somebody that is making you feel this way, I think lyrically it could be cool to incorporate some of that, get a little bit more you in there, if that's applicable. And don't get me wrong, I don't want to change it, but yeah, hook's really great, really pretty. Great job.
I thought you communicated the emotion of the song quite well. I understood sort of your feelings about, or directly reflected in the lyrics. I agree with Billy that it would probably be more powerful to get to the chorus sooner and utilize that I stand still part to set up your chorus. I think that would be really powerful.
so much, guys. Excellent, excellent feedback.